Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Nadia Kashif, your SST teacher. Today is our second lecture of chapter 5. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about Third Battle of Panipat, Battle of Buxar, Shah Alam II, Akbar Shah II, Bahadur Shah II. Topics of our today's lecture are Sikh rule in Punjab and in NWFP, rule of Rohilas in Rohilkhand and Marathas in Deccan, Hyder Ali and Mysore state, Tipu Sultan. Today our first topic is Sikh rule in Punjab and in NWFP. In the mid-18th century, when Mughal rulers were losing control on subcontinent, Sikhs started to consolidate themselves in Punjab and in NWFP. A famous and powerful Sikh leader was Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Sikh rule in Punjab and NWFP was extended from 1801 to 1849 AD. Then Sikh rule declined, and in 1849 the British annexed Punjab after defeating them. Rule of Rohilas in Rohilkhand. Rohilkhand was a state in northern subcontinent, as you can see in the map. Rohillas belong to different Pashtun tribes of Afghanistan. These people came to Rohilkhand during 17th and 18th centuries. Daud Khan and his foster son Ali Muhammad Khan were the founders of Pashtun state in Rohilkhand. After the death of Daud Khan in 1721 AD, Ali Muhammad Khan became the ruler of Rohilkhand. At that time, Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah was ruling on the throne. Ali Muhammad Khan refused to pay taxes to central government. Emperor Muhammad Shah sent his force to punish him. He was arrested and brought to Delhi. In 1748 AD, he reached his territory and recaptured his lost lands. Rohillas fought bravely against the British in the War of Independence 1857. After the failure of War of Independence, Rohilkhand was annexed by the British. Maratha Empire. A small state of Marathas was founded in around 1674 AD, and after the death of Aurangzeb, the Marathas started consolidating themselves in Deccan, and in a very short time captured a large part of subcontinent, as you can see in the map. They were dreaming to rule India when Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated them in the Third Battle of Panipat and destroyed their power forever. Hyder Ali. Famous Muslim general, Hyder Ali was born in 1720 AD. He started his practical life as a soldier but got immediate promotion and reached the rank of general. State of Mysore was ruled by a Hindu Raja. His minister was Nandraj. They both started confrontation and situation became worse. Hyder Ali deposed the Raja and captured the control of the state in 1761 AD. State of Mysore was in the southern part of the subcontinent, as you can see in the map. Hyder Ali wanted to expand his empire and contain the British. British knew that they alone cannot defeat Hyder Ali. So, in 1767 AD, the joint forces of the British, Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad attacked the state of Mysore. Through his personal ability and prudence, Hyder Ali succeeded in breaking the alliance of Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad with the British. Now, British forces were alone in the battlefield and Hyder Ali vanquished them. The wars fought between the British and the rulers of Mysore are called Anglo-Mysore Wars. Hyder Ali fought two Anglo-Mysore wars and won both. British lost the First Anglo-Mysore War. After this defeat, the British were very angry and started plotting against Hyder Ali. The British managed to break Hyder Ali's alliance with Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad. Now Hyder Ali was without any aid and support. In spite of all these problems, he fought single-handedly against the British. Moreover, a contingent was sent from Bombay to capture Malabar, whom Hyder Ali repelled successfully. Most of his life was spent in fighting and struggling against the British. He died in 1782 AD. Tipu Sultan, Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was born in 1750 AD. He was a brave soldier, able politician, and competent administrator. He was fully convinced that the British were enemies of the Muslims and wanted to destroy them and get hold of the subcontinent. So he decided to carry on the mission of his father, Hyder Ali, and fought against the British. Tipu Sultan became the Sultan of Mysore in 1782 AD. He was pioneer of rocket artillery. He made an alliance with the French to tackle the British. Prince of Persia promised to help him, but at the 11th hour did not come to Tipu's assistance. In another move, the British managed to forge an alliance with the Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad because the British wanted to kill Tipu Sultan and capture the subcontinent at any cost. Moreover, the British bribed many officials of Tipu Sultan who were working on important posts. They became British supporters. Tipu Sultan decided to fight against the British. Marathas, Nizam of Hyderabad, and many important people were on British side. In 1799 AD, forces of Tipu Sultan and the British fought a severe battle at Seringapatam. This was the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Because of some traitors, Tipu Sultan was defeated and won the honors of a martyr. His two sons were held as hostage. With Tipu Sultan's martyrdom, the Islamic State of Mysore came to an end. He proved to be the last hurdle in the way of the British expansionism. The British captured Punjab, Sindh, and major parts of subcontinent. Today we have discussed the topics that would be helpful in solving your exercise questions. Short question number 4. How Sikh rule was established in Punjab? Short question number 5. How Tipu Sultan earned the honor of martyrdom? Detailed question number 5. Describe the efforts of Hyder Ali against foreign domination. Detailed question number 6. Describe the objectives of Tipu Sultan and his battle with the British in Seringapatam. I hope this lecture is helpful for you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.